Hello everyone, welcome to Beautiful Naturally, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about a face serum that I have been using for few days and it is fantastic, and I have applied right now and my face looks so much clear and brighter, and it gives you an immediate glow, and it is non-greasy and it has the power of essential oil. It's really good for, especially for the summer weather. It's non-greasy, it will give you a very neat fresh looking skin, and it will clear up all your blemishes, and on top of that it's anti-aging. So to know more about this serum, how I made this, please continue to the video. So first, here I have put a list of carrier oil according to the different type of skin, so you can change the oil according to the type of your skin, and this is the dilution chart of essential oil. So the ingredient for this recipe are aloe vera gel, jojoba oil, and I'm taking 5 essential oil, that is tea tree essential oil, carrot seed, frankincense, geranium and lavender essential oil. So first I'm taking 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very good during this summer season because it's very similar to the oil that our skin secrete. It is non-greasy and it will absorb by the skin very easily. So mix this oil and aloe vera gel very well, and then I'm going to add the essential oil. So just to keep the acne at bay, I'm adding 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. If your skin is oily and you have acne problem, you can increase by 4 to 5 drops. Then I'm going to add 4 drops of frankincense essential oil to keep the blemishes and sunspot away, and then I'm going to add, next is the 3 drops of geranium to add the moisturizing power, and next is the carrot seed essential oil, 2 to 3 drops to avoid the wrinkles and fine lines, and then last one is I'm going to add 2 drops of lavender oil. It will keep skin cool and calm. And now mix all this oil very well so that the oil get mixed with the aloe vera gel, and you will see the consistency of the gel has been changed. So apply it very little, like you apply a serum on your face, and then rub it very gentle massage, and it will be absorbed very quickly, and you can see the immediate glow on your skin. So this is the beauty of this serum, that it will refine your skin and give you a very illuminating skin. So this was all about this face serum. I really like this face serum, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.